My name is Brent Brooks. I'm from Waterloo, Iowa, and I'm in the Auto Body Collision Repair program. I have a degree in automotive technology. I graduated 2020. I decided that I wanted more experience with the body side and the repair side of vehicles, along with my mechanic experience. Both my father and my grandfather, they were big in mechanics. My grandfather could take apart an engine in a day and then hop on the highway. I didn't learn as much as I could have from them, so taking these courses, helped me feel more connected with them. I really didn't have any expectations. I figured what I was going to take on whatever came with the courses. I was just ready to do it. Really just the hands-on experience, being able to actually do the work that I'm learning and preparing for. Body repair to painting techniques, being able to take apart a vehicle when it comes to the body work and the body panels and quarter panels and so on and so forth, doing that properly, because a lot of things anybody can just put their hands into, but when you don't do it the right way or the proper way, you end up with bad results. The program is designed for you to be successful. Just making sure that you show up. That's half the battle. You show up, pay attention, actually want to do it, and it'll be cake.